Is this the biggest pineapple in the world? Look at this thing. Huge. Actually, this is Monty, the Montana agave that has bloomed over the summer and is now withering. A 20-year-old Mexican agave cactus. It's beginning to look a lot like winter in Oregon. What's up, y'all? I'm out here in my Cascadian tuxedo. You know what I'm saying? Walking the streets of Portland, Oregon. Get my morning walk on. It's beautiful. Leaves are falling. There's colors everywhere. It's messy, but it's beautiful nonetheless. And it's important to get out there into the elements, no matter where you live, because it's nature, baby. It's nature. Well, we are nature anyways. Everything is nature. We've created this and we're part of it, so we are nature, baby. We are nature. So yeah, guys, I'm walking down the street and I've been hearing a lot of planes in the sky, and it sounds different than, the type of planes that you hear like commercial airliners. And it's very foggy up in the sky, as you can see here. But I saw one that was what I thought it would be. It is like a fighter jet, and I've been seeing a lot of fighter jets around here lately. I don't know what's up with that, but I don't like to see that. But what are you gonna do? They're preparing for something. You got the toys, you might as well use them, right? So the way I see it some of the time maybe is that we are all in our own self-created zoo that we live in. We've got very little diversity in animal life here on a macro level. And there's nature we create in our yardscapes, our urban gardens, and this nature is juxtaposed right beside industrial pollution and lots of asphalt, lots of mechanized industrial eyesores. Maybe I don't even know if I'd call it eyesores because it's part of nature now. We're part of nature. We are nature. Some birds or squirrels living up in those nests. Thanks for walking with me through my city. 5G betwixt the beautiful leaves. Just all of this. It's all a part of nature. Remember, you are nature, I'm nature, we're nature, all is nature. And there you have it, a beautiful day in my city, in my neighborhood, in our planet.